Meet the smallest living bird on earth, the bee hummingbird. It is a species of hummingbird native to the island of Cuba in the Caribbean. Barely larger than a bee is named after, adult females weigh around 2.5 grams and are about 6 centimeters long. They are slightly larger than males, which have an average weight of 2 grams and length of 5.5 centimeters. Their extraordinary flight abilities allow them to hover in the mid-air, with their wings beating up to 200 times per second. This allows them to not only fly forward and backward, but also fly upside down. They can fly up to 50 km per hour. The bee hummingbird's breeding season is March to June, with the females laying 1 or 2 eggs, each roughly the size of a coffee bean. They primarily consume nectar from flowers using their long and slender beaks, and occasionally eat small insects.